Definitely very different than the last few days in Tokyo.
What if you could walk into a place where nothing feels rushed, nothing feels changed, and time doesn't move forward, it just stays? Today we're in Kanazawa, and right now we're about to step into one of its most beautiful and preserved areas, Higashi Chaya District. No plans, no rush, just a slow walk through streets that have been here for centuries. So take a breath and walk with us. This is Tripinn, and where we don't chase highlights, we uncover what's hiding in plain sight. Where travel isn't just about places, but about the feeling a place leaves behind. So, if you enjoy discovering the real side of cities, make sure to subscribe to Tripinn, and let's explore together. All right, we're entering the district now, and instantly you can feel it. The streets narrow down, the noise fades away, and these wooden buildings, they're not just styled like the past. They are the past. These are traditional tea houses, some dating back to the Edo period. And what's amazing is they're still standing, still breathing. Even the ground beneath your feet feels different here. As we walk further in, look at how consistent everything feels. The wooden lattices, the warm tones, the symmetry. Nothing breaks the aesthetic. This district was once a center of geisha culture, where evenings were filled with music, tea, and quiet conversations. And somehow, that calm energy still lingers. It doesn't feel like history. It feels present. And honestly, if this is the kind of travel you enjoy, not rushing, not ticking boxes, but actually feeling a place, then you're going to love what we do here. We focus on experiences like this, slow, real, and immersive. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing to Tripinn, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a journey like this again. Let's slow down a bit here because places like this aren't meant to be rushed. Notice the small things, the texture of the wood, the soft shadows on the walls, the gentle sound of footsteps echoing through the street. Even silence here feels full. As we continue walking, you'll start noticing small entrances. Some of these are still active tea houses. Others have been turned into cafes and sweet shops. But what's beautiful is nothing feels out of place. Everything blends in, as if modern life adapted to the past, not the other way around. Let's turn into the smaller lane. And immediately, it feels even quieter. Less people, softer sounds, and somehow even more authentic. This is where you really feel the soul of the district. No crowds, no distractions, just you and the space around you. There's something about streets like this. Everything just slows down. The wooden houses, the quiet path, even the sound of footsteps. It all feels calm and unhurried. Nothing is trying too hard, and that's exactly what makes it beautiful. You just keep walking, not really thinking about where you're going. Every few steps, something catches your eye, and then you move on again. It's not about the destination here, it's just about being in the moment. And just like that, this walk slowly comes to an end. Not with a big moment, not with a highlight, but with a feeling. A quiet kind of feeling that stays with you, even after you've left these streets behind. If you enjoyed walking with us, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next journey. Until then, keep exploring, keep slowing down, and we'll see you in the next walk. If you enjoyed this walk, explore our full Japan playlist right here. And don't miss our Yokohama Harbor Walk in 4K. We'll see you in the next journey.